Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update App Store listing screenshots using App Store Connect easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Apps. Log in using your Apple developer account credentials. Once logged in, select My Apps from the main dashboard. Find and click on the app you want to update. In the app overview, locate the App Information section on the left side. Scroll down to the Screenshots section. Select the platform for which you want to update the screenshots. Click on the existing screenshots you wish to replace. You will see an option to drag and drop new images or click to upload. Choose the new screenshot files from your computer. Ensure that the screenshots meet Apple's guidelines for size and format. After uploading, review each screenshot to confirm they display correctly. You can rearrange the order of the screenshots by dragging them into the desired position. Once satisfied, scroll to the top of the page. Click on the Save button to save your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your screenshots have been updated. Finally, if you're ready to submit changes, click on the Submit for Review button. Your updated screenshots will now be reviewed by Apple before going live on the App Store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.